Welcome to our channel Tech Updates. In today's video we'll review Samsung latest smartphone Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G review, a perfect price fit. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, design somewhat monotonous. Samsung has been using the same back design for its smartphones in recent times. The Galaxy A54 5G, Galaxy A14 5G, Galaxy A34 5G, even the Galaxy S23, and they all look almost similar. Also, Galaxy A54 5G features a glass back, making the rear reflective and smudge friendly. However, the Galaxy A54 5G does look classy and is worth flaunting. With no camera modules to curved edges, the device is handy and comfortable to use. The handset also comes with an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance and is overall an attractive smartphone. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, display. The Galaxy A54 5G offers you an immersive screen viewing experience with its 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. From watching movies to playing games, the experience is commendable. The screen provides vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. The scrolling of the screen is also quick and smooth. Whether it is scrolling through social media content, internet browsing, or playing games, the experience was amazing. Adding to the pros is its brightness level. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, performance. The device did not slow down or showed any lag during usage. Powered by an Exynos 1380 chipset, the phone is capable of handling everyday tasks without throwing any tantrums. From playing graphics-intensive games like Asphalt 9, and Call of Duty Mobile Season 3 to normal ones like Temple Run, Subway Surfers, and Candy Crush, the gaming experience was fun. Long hours of binging sessions to listening to music did not bother the phone either. Delightfully, the audio was loud and clear. Running on Samsung's One UI 5.1 based on Android 13, the Galaxy A54 5G offers a smooth and efficient user experience with quick app loading times. However, there are some pre-installed apps that you may not require. Moreover, to enhance the user experience, the Galaxy A54 5G contains numerous customization options and features. The 5G connectivity with Jio's 5G offered good internet speed and both the audio and video calling experience were satisfactory. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, cameras. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G houses a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP primary lens along with a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens. It also has a 32MP selfie camera. I am quite impressed with the performance of the primary camera as it highlighted all the details. While, when it comes to night photography, the sensor brightened up the image and boosted the colors but without any noise or grains. However, the front camera disappointed me with its output as it softened the image. The phone also comes with numerous in-app camera modes like Pro, Panorama, Macro, Single Take, among others. You can check the camera samples here for better judgment. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, battery. If you want a device that can easily survive almost 2 days, then the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G can be a great choice. It is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and can easily survive 1.5 days given that there is no heavy usage of the phone. However, the device does not come with a charger in the box. I have been using a 33 watts charger to charge the device and the battery got juiced up in about 50 minutes from 0 to 100%. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, verdict. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is a decent pick for users who want a device offering great battery life, an amazing display, and good camera performance. The build quality of the phone is decent and with the software updates, you can easily use the device for up to 5 years. Overall, the phone offers an amazing user experience and value for money.